Today we have a video from Strange Bodycam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Red Lobster Dine and Dashers Ends Badly.
7th, 2024, officers responded to a Red Lobster for a call of a theft of services after a group of 4 individuals left the establishment without paying their bill.
Inside the movie theater, the description on them, all I got was that one of them's wearing a white t-shirt and the other one's wearing a black t-shirt. The caller just hung up on me. So that's for the verbal?
What's that? They didn't pay? All right, then.
They're going back in now to pay, though.
Yeah,
okay.
Out of the restaurant, playing themselves. I went right after them. Like,
all right.
No need for that.
I was coming over here and I saw all of them running, and then she kind of flagged us down.
All right, so you want them to do is pay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. But you get locked up.
I'm going to go take care of her.
Good, I got it. Let me see your ID.
She was
IDs?
a minor.
IDs?
There was
You have to
another
identify yourself. You committed a crime. You're not being arrested, but... What?
There was another one with a child.
All right, let's just get this taken care of. Let's get it paid for. I mean, they shouldn't have did it, but it is what it is. Thank you, man. You don't have an ID?
Minor.
Minor? That's where you're gonna go with? Okay, we'll play that game. Is that your daughter?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll take you in, and your mother can get you.
Check
You wanna play that game? You're a minor?
Yeah,
What?
she's a minor.
She's always a mother.
Yeah.
All right. Well, obviously she can't be doing that, so we'll have to take her in, and the mother can come get her. Who is she to you?
She's my friend's daughter.
She's your daughter.
No, my friend's daughter.
Okay. All right. You'll be coming with us, and you can get charged with endangering the welfare.
No,
you
you
can't.
Here. She was
Okay.
I gotta go with them.
She's here.
Okay.
I gotta go with them.
Sit here, please.
Because
Is your mom here? Tell her to come and it'll be over with.
my mom's changing the babies.
Where?
He said where? She's coming.
7.
Hi!
How you doing?
Good.
And JDL all around? And I guess you don't want them in here no more, right?
Excuse me?
You want them in here no more or no?
No.
Okay. Have a seat, please.
No, focus.
What? I'm asking you to have a seat, please. You just ran out on the bill. I can't question you or ask you what happened because you're a minor, so I need your mother here. Why are you making this so difficult? Just tell your mother to come here.
I'm not.
I don't want to, because if you're with me, I have to take custody of you, then we got to sign a bunch of stuff,
Yeah,
right? So I'm not trying to be... I know your mom's here, so just...
I know.
Hey, 33, slow down. No emergencies.
I wish she was leaving. She wasn't leaving. I don't know if she got nervous or what, but we were not going to leave on the bill.
Okay. Well, here's the problem.
Who's the problem?
No, here's the problem. She's a minor. She's not with a mother. If I took custody of it, I'd have to sign everything. So
Why would
that's
you take custody? She's with my sister.
because she just ran out of it on a bill. She just committed a crime.
She wasn't. I was with her. She just made
We don't have to argue.
sure.
We don't have to argue.
Honey, I'm not arguing.
I know my body camera's activated. That's what I'm saying.
why I paid for it.
Okay. I'm just explaining everything to you guys. I'm sorry. I didn't want to be rude. Okay. Hold on. This is her ID. You have your ID?
My license? For what? I was not even.
Oh, you want to know? Okay, then you just have to wait. Okay. Stop arguing with me.
Who's arguing with you, officer?
I'm telling you what's going on.
Who's arguing
Your
with you?
daughter is a minor.
Okay, she was with an adult.
Okay. Who committed a crime?
She did.
So I cannot let her go to her without her mother. That's what it is.
Yeah.
She can't understand English. English got to be the second language or something.
Okay, so now what happened, officer?
Nothing. What happens is if she...
okay?
No, hold on. I don't even need information. Listen, I just want to explain something to you. If she's with her and she's getting accused of running out on the bill, it's all right. It's just a misunderstanding.
Right.
I have a camera on.
Don't worry, he's not yelling at me.
I have a camera on. I'm trying to calm everybody down like your teacher does.
Calm, yeah.
I have a camera on, so technically she's a minor. I have to release her to an adult.
Okay.
Her mother, her guardian. And I don't want to have to do all the paperwork, so I just asked you to come over,
Thank you, honey. Okay.
That's real simple, all right?
Thank you so much.
No problem. You just gotta wait, all right? I gotta check and make sure everyone wants.
I'm gonna go to the car on the phone with him.
You can take. You guys are good.
Wait for me. Yeah, I'm waiting for you right here. Okay.
They don't want you back in here, obviously. Okay. So if you come back in here, you'll be arrested.
Let me go put him in the car.
Okay. Like I said, I'm sorry. It's just that she says she's a minor, and I have a job I have to do. Okay. All right. So you just don't want her in here, right?
Huh?
Just her, right?
Well, yeah, because, she left first with her child. She was with her at the table. And then when I stepped away, after I asked them repeatedly, did you need containers? They went and said, well, we might be getting desserts. From the very beginning, it was very sketchy.
Okay, at the end of the day, she paid. You plan to pay the whole time.
Of course, because I didn't want to do that. She was...
I mean,
embarrassing.
There was no need for...
All right, so you don't want her in there either?
them should be, honestly.
What? Like, get her ID and tell her she's trespassing?
Because she starts.
Okay, it's fine. It's up to you.
No, I know. I'm a little like, because I had to run after.
I get it. We got it taken care of.
Oh, they were all together. And they tried to pull a fast one, leave one after another. Yeah, the mom thinks she's slick. She ain't slick.
Call her back.
I don't even know what her car is.
Okay, we can go the other way. We'll take care of it. We'll be right back. We'll go the other way. We'll go with the endangering the welfare of children. That's what we'll do. We'll play the game. We can play it too.
We didn't have money to pay, but I have my credit card.
All right.
She didn't have money to pay.
Call your sister.
No, that's not. I don't have a sister.
Who is that?
That's my friend, and that's her daughter.
All right, call her, please. You know her car, obviously. You know where she parks. So just take it to us. Come on.
I think we thought, no, I don't drive, sir. You can see, but I don't have a. Says he wants to walk to the car. Where are you?
She needs to identify herself.
Yeah, because no quieren en el frente ahí. I think this is right here.
Talking in Spanish.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
I need your ID, ma'am. We can do. Yeah, your ID.
No problem. Get my license.
They don't want you back in there, okay? If you go back in there, you'll be arrested.
No problem. We're not going back in there.
You're still checking her, right?
Yeah. You guys know, I mean, this is not, when we do this with kids, it turns into like, could be endangering the welfare of a child.
Here you go, my license.
Listen, I'm letting you know, this is not, you think it's nothing. But if just say we stopped you and you pulled away, we would be charging you with endangering the welfare of a child.
We were not doing that, though.
Okay, but if you don't pay for something, that's a crime. You do it with kids, it's endangering the welfare of a child. Okay, we don't have to do this. I just got to get your information. Don't go back there anymore, okay?
Absolutely.
All right.
Can I wait in the car?
No, sure. Yeah, sure.
I mean, you guys have my camera. We're not even now.
Have you ever been arrested?
Me?
Yeah.
Me? No.
Negative. They're just asking me. I don't know.
Mom,
Probably because they can't find you.
what did
All right, you guys can sit tight. Don't worry. Sit with the kids.
my kids, I want to make sure, like,
Yeah.
I'm not getting arrested. I'm getting arrested?
Yeah, you got a warrant.
For what?
Oh,
a warrant?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
For what, though?
Hold on. Let's take care of it.
I'm about to say, what
Let's
a warrant?
figure this out. I'm not going to hiccup here for
No,
the
it's
kids.
okay. I'm like, a warrant, though.
I'm gonna bring my car out.
What?
Bring my car out.
A warrant
Unless
for
you
what?
have a back seat.
What's that?
A warrant.
I have a back seat. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't want to put her in there. You can bring your car around. I'm good with her. I'll give you the courtesy of putting you in the back of my car without putting the handcuffs on and taking you out of sight for your kids.
Thank you, but damn, what the fuck? I want to know what this for.
Are you going to be able to pay it?
Yeah, hell yeah, of course. Of course.
Your kids don't go to school?
Man, they can't even pay for the cheese biscuits, man. They can't even pay for the Red Lobster biscuits. How you gonna pay for the... Man, yo. They had no intention on paying for anything. And this is what they doing in front of their people. And in front of the little ones. Come on, man.
My daughter's homeschooled. My son's in daycare.
Okay.
He's in daycare. I mean, it's not like, like real, it's daycare. Yeah, daycare. Mama.
You got cash on you?
I don't.
Card?
I do. My card?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it.
Of course.
Come in.
They're for failure to appear.
Yeah,
Failure to appear. You didn't go to court?
Court?
Yeah.
I just moved. That's why I just changed those, so I'm not
All right,
I'm not,
all right.
It's probably recent.
And it's 700, 10%?
600 and full.
I'd say you got $600.
Yeah, we'll pay.
Let's get you.
Damn, let me tell
Hey,
you though. Let me
what?
hold on
Don't
before.
tell
Let
your
me.
kids, just tell me
No,
how
I'm gonna
much.
tell my daughter.
All right. Hold it up
Let me
here
tell
so
my
they don't have to
sister.
see this.
No, I'm gonna tell my sister.
Yeah, just tell them you got to take a ride with us.
But then they can stay here and I'll pay and I could come right back out.
Yeah, you want to do it like that, or they can come to the police station.
How? She don't drive.
All right. Yeah,
So I got
they
the
can
fucking
stay
car
here.
here.
They can
I
stay
don't
here.
Yeah.
They can stay here.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get somebody here to drive them.
Let me call my father. Let me call my fucking father real quick.
Missed. I'm just saying like I, decided to do this. Decided to bust chops today.
It's okay.
Move it up so the kids don't hear. The kids don't have to see it. I'll have you back here in.
No, I know. A couple minutes.
Half hour.
Yeah. You know what they're gonna do? Fuck it, they could just take an Uber. She's right here 2 minutes
Yeah, she
away.
can take an Uber. She can take an Uber. Whatever she wants to do. Whatever she wants to get to the police station. Uber, somebody come get the car.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Mommy, be right back. Miss, do me a favor. Just.
I got stopped and I got.
She doing too much, man.
You want me to leave the keys in?
All right, you got your phone, you got your card? I got your license, yeah. You got your card?
So should I call Uber?
You guys want to get there? Or you can call Uber. I'll have it back here in a half hour.
Give me my license back, right?
No, I have your license. Are you gonna? Do you have anything in there? Because I gotta search that. If you gotta take it. All right. Just get your. I just gotta see. I'm not searching your bag. You can have it here.
There ain't shit in here. I'm gonna leave it here.
I just need the card. Yeah, I don't want to search it.
I'm looking for my card.
I'm just worried about a weapon being in there. That's all I care about.
No weapon.
Miss.
Can he call? Can they call? Can he call? Does my father call and pay?
He's got to come with a card.
Oh, so she can come with the card.
Anybody can come with the card. You can take the card. Is the card in her name? Is the card in your name?
Okay.
Is the card in her name or your name?
Well, come on.
Where you going?
I'm gonna call they're gonna call Uber.
Oh, okay, all right. You have the card you need?
Yeah, I have everything.
You have this. Where's your card?
I don't have my cards. Apple Pay.
No. We don't take Apple Pay.
Oh, so she'll come and pay with her card.
With your card?
Yeah. You guys say credit card?
Yeah, only credit card or cash.
Only credit card.
Or cash.
That's fine.
All right, come over here. Don't just close the. Your mom's gonna come with us. We'll see you at the police station.
Okay. No
I don't want to
problem.
handcuff you in front of your kids.
Yes, please.
I have to handcuff you, but I won't do it in front of your kids. Yes, over here, right here. That's why I parked the car over here.
They're probably looking though. It's okay.
They can't see. That's why
front and back. Can I do front?
No.
Oh, we gotta do back.
Look, I'm gonna put on.
No.
We gotta take the phone with you. Take the phone. Give us the phone. This is killing me.
Damn, I want to make a call.
You're gonna make the calls, all the calls you want.
I want them to make sure.
All right. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me? I'm just gonna pat you on my back hands. I'm not gonna touch you in any appropriate way. It's
14. No, we don't.
Should have seen it? They can't see it?
No, they can't see.
Okay.
Smooth, right? They think I'm an asshole, but I'm just doing my job.
That's okay.
I got 2 kids too. I wouldn't want to, shit happens.
So this thing is like on my neck. Like this shit. Okay.
Good? Better?
Yeah, we're good.
Natalie was transported to the police department and processed on her outstanding warrant. Her friend eventually posted the $600 bail, and she was released from custody shortly after. On August 7th,
if they got all this money, why are they trying to skip out on Red Lobster biscuits, man? Like, it don't even make no sense. I mean, it's a good thing that this did happen because now they were able to take care of the warrant, but or whatever situation they got going on. But honestly, I think the cop was a little bit he's a little too nice, man. They're lollygagging, taking all day. Oh, I got the card. Let me look for the card. And oh no, I got Apple Pay. And can this person do that? You guys are fucking. It's really just. I don't know, man. I don't know. He's a good guy, but people could take kindness for weakness. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.